so pretty. It's green and red. Come back here and see. Okay, we are on the way to Waimea Falls. Yeah, we have to buy right here. Yep. It's really comfortable in there, Isabel. You wanna put your glasses on? Yeah, it's sunny. Let's go. Whoa. Up to the waterfall. Okay, that's the trail just started. I'm already tired because I have to pull these. Look at those trees.
Can I see trees from school?
Yeah, we just walk there. Oh no.
But this is a rockway.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's cool like a tiny pool.
Oh, it's a house.
House? Oh yeah, it's a house.
Is that a house?
Is a bird house?
I don't know. It's Hanauma. What's up?
You got the hands on, right?
How did it
Say hi, Isabel.
Hi.
Hey, how are you, young lady?
Hi. Say how are you, sir?
Did you see the lion, tigers, and bears yet?
Have you seen one?
Not yet? Well, as you go a little bit more up, you're going to see the lion, tigers, and bears.
Ooh, you want to go check it out?
So when you see that, you have to say, oh my. Okay?
Let's go see it. What? You're not eating.
Oh, she's making a great noise.
Oh, so pretty. Say how are you?
Keep it empty. That's a beautiful job. Everybody give them a hand. Have a seat. Number 3.
Are we there yet, Isabel? We're finally here. Yeah. Can I get in? You have to wear the life vest, okay? Then we give you one. Okay? Yeah? Come on. Look what it says. The turtle don't come here anymore because it's too hot. Yeah, I guess there's no turtle today. Oh! Izzy! You saw the turtle? It's right there. Yeah, 2, 3 of them. Izzy! My daughter was like, there's no turtle today, Daddy. Maybe it's too hot. Oh, the turtle.
You hurt, Daddy?
What?
You hurt?
No, it's not hurting. I think it's a she. You wanna take a picture with the turtle? Stand here. Stand here.
Okay, what is he doing?
We got to Dole Plantation. It's about 7 miles before you get to Waimea Bay. Oh, corn on cobs. You want corn? Thank you. Oh, good. We got a coconut. There you go, Princess. Your coconut. Oh my god, that looks really yummy.
อร่อยไหมอร่อยสิกินอีกรอบนึง
You like that?
ดูใหญ่เลยก่อนลูกอ้วนเลยคนอื่นบ้างอร่อยไหม
Oh yeah. See? That's what happened. Pineapple bear. Yeah, really expensive. Really expensive pineapple bear. Pineapple everything. Ice cream. Yep, that's what we want. Ice cream. Okay, these are the selections. We get the regular corn and the with the topping, so we can try fresh pineapple too. Okay. How about you put your hand next to mine, okay?
There you go. You want to put your hand next? Well, let's have Daddy do it first.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Keep your hand under the water.
It will come out. Look, look, look.
Whoops.
Your hand's a
There you
little
go.
too small. Ooh, you like that?
Is that fun?
You want to test this one more? Yeah? Gentle. Gentle, Isabel.
Good job.
Remember, these are the fish that we saw. Remember? I took you to the beach and then we went snorkeling and we saw all these fish. Is it? Look. Jellyfish. Oh, wow. I know, they're so pretty.